Yan na yung judge, napakabata. From Alaminos. So, hindi ko lang alam kung kamag-anak pa namin to. O anak ng aking kapid na si Rasuti, ex-police. O kapatid niya. So, yan ang kanyang father, mother. Yun yung judge.
And also, it's hard to get some schedule in Manila, so we opted to ask my
So, tinatanong siya kung bakit pinakasalan niya ang aking pinsan. So, tinatanong siya nag-judge. So, nag-explain naman siya. And their marriage contract, they are signing. If correct or not. Yeah.
When you are asked, you answer yes. Isa, did you come here of your own free will to be bound in marriage, Christian? Christian, did you come here of your own free will to be bound in marriage to Isaac? Do you take upon yourselves, Christian and Isa, the duties of marriage, state of your own free will and voluntary deed? Isa, do you take Christian here present to be your lawful husband, and do you give yourself to him as his wife? Christian, do you take Isa here present to be your lawful wife, and do you give yourself to her as her husband? Isa and Christian, do you promise to be faithful and true to each other as long as you both live? Christian, you have the ring for Isa. Put that to the left, ring finger. Isa, and follow after me. Isa, I give you this ring as a token of my love and devotion, now and forever. Isa, give the ring for Christian. Put that in the ring finger, left ring finger, Christian, and follow after me. Christian, I give you this ring as a token of my love and devotion to you, now and forever. As my pledge of dedication, to you, and for your welfare and welfare of our children. I shall say thank you and I accept. Thank you. Christian, what do you want to say to Isaac? Your promises, your vows, Lord? Louder. Christian, you may now kiss your wife, Isaac.
One more, sir, one more. One more. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ready po, and 1,
Galing yung
2,
Christina,
3.
tama ni Duwake.
Tingin po dito, ma'am. Okay.
Wow.
Sa likod po yung kamay niyo, ma'am. Okay, sir. Tapos, gano'n rin po. Ayan. Tapos magkahawak po kayo sa bukid.
Dalawa kayong maghawak.
Okay, tingin po dito. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. Close your head, please. And look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. Okay, mga friends na po. Okay, ready po. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, tapos na ang kasal. So, paalis na kami. Ayan. Tapos na. So, we're heading now to Alaminos. Okay, we're heading now to Alaminos at Highlands Tropical Resort.